After an initial setback, troops of the United States First Army succeeded in making a gallant stand at Bastogne. Reinforcements were rushed in by air. Allied planes were helped in these operations by a special British device known as FIDO, which made it possible for planes to take off even in fog. Runways were lined with Rose special pipes for burning petrol. The heat generated in this way dispersed the fog, and runways were left clear even in the worst weather. Allied heavy bombers were thus able to keep up a continuous bombardment of the German forces in the Ardennes. Field Marshal of Montgomery took command of the operations to stop the German advance. Gradually, the United States First and Third Armies from the south, together with a British Army Corps on the Meuse, fighting under appalling weather conditions, squeezed out the German salient. By January the 16th, Rundstedt's offensive was stopped. If it had succeeded in taking Antwerp, it might have prolonged the war by a year, but it was the last serious blow the Germans were able to strike in the West.